Well guys, here it is. The day of the auction has finally come. I actually kind of forgot to take some videos of the auction, but it rained a lot today, and anyways, I sold the Sawmill. It's kind of sad to see it go, but here she is. Bye bye Norwood. I also sold most of my logs too, and some other stuff. Here's the fellow that's buying the sawmill. He's getting ready to hook it up. Here it is. The good old Norwood HD36. Used it for about 5 years or so. But there it is, ready to sell. Alright guys, say goodbye to my sawmill. There it goes. She's ready to go. And there it goes.